Hello everyone, I'm excited to do this video today. I received my Onyx Boox Max Lumi device today, and I wanted to go through somewhat of an unboxing. I've actually already taken everything out of the box. The box is pretty big and large, so I took everything out of the box. I ordered this device like a week and a half ago, and I ordered it from the Onyx Boox store, their shop. And it comes with free accessories, so I want to show that as well, what came in the box as part of their free accessories. So it was $859.99 online when I purchased it. I really like the fact that it came with the backlight. I've been waiting for that. One of the reasons why I did not buy the Max 3, because it did not have a backlight. And I also had another device, the paper that I ordered, which does not have a backlight, and I kind of understand the downfalls of, or the cons of not having that backlight in my situation, where I need to make sure I'm in a lit room in order to use that device. So this is the box for the Max Lumi itself. Let me go ahead and show some of the other accessories that came with it. This here is one accessory, which is an actual stand for the device. So a little portable stand. You can set that up, put that to the side. You see we have marker tips that came with it as well. There is a strap that came with it. Put that to the side as well. Also received in the box a cover, and I was contemplating on ordering a cover, but now that I see that this came in the box with it, this is pretty awesome. I don't have to actually buy a cover. So I'll open that up as well. And let's see what else has come in the box. Some instructions. We have some cleaning wipes for the screen protector. Basically what those are. And here's an actual screen protector as well that comes with it. So let me go ahead and open up the Max Lumi box here so we can see what this device looks like in hand. And take this. It's a little hard to open. Okay. Okay, see it's in a sleeve. Let's go ahead and slide that out. And then we'll go ahead and open up the box. And there's the device. Looks like we have another screen protector that came in the box with the Max Lumi itself. We have the device. It's a little hefty device. This is sweet. Oh my God, I'm gonna love this thing. Put this to the side. And we have another pouch here with paperwork. No one needs that. And you see we have a USB-C to USB, is that a SD? An SD slot there. So you can you can expand the storage or use it for attaching additional storage. What we have in there? Move this out of the way. We have USB-C cable there. We have a HDMI cable. Anything else in that box? And yes, we have the pin. So this pin is the same as the old pin. Nothing extravagant there. And the two cables. So we'll go ahead and put those to the side. And let's take the wrapping off the actual Lumi device here. In the back. Glued on pretty well. ahead and put this out to the side there. Okay, so the device, you see the back here it's nice and matte. It's not slippery like the Nova device or some of the other tablets that you get. The front, you can see the bezels are nice and slim. They're not too thick and wide. You have this dual color here at the bottom along with the button here, where it's kind of this lighter gray onto the black. This looks really nice. Oh man. So if we compare this to the paper device that we have here, you can see here that the Max Lumi is a little bigger. It's thicker as well. And from a weight standpoint, it's a lot heavier. It's really noticeable as far as the weight, but again, it's not too heavy. You can also compare that to the Nova 2. This is the 7.8 inch compared to the 13.3. It's a huge difference in screen size. And yeah, this is really nice. I'm gonna love this thing. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And this is really just an unboxing. I want to see what happens in the initial screens here. I won't get too deep into the actual device itself. Screen is really nice. So we're going to choose English here. And accept these here. Going to automatically set the time. We'll connect to the wireless, and that should set automatically. We'll leave the defaults here. I'm right-handed. That will stay the same. Okay, we'll go ahead and calibrate. Go ahead and confirm it. And we're in. So pretty much the same look and feel that you get on your other box devices. This does have Android 10. We go into the settings. You can see that there's Android version 10 on here. And let's go into the firmware. Out of the box, it comes with a firmware that's dated 947-25. I don't have internet on it right now, so I won't go ahead and hit the check for update. But what I wanted to do is unbox the cover. We'll see how that looks on this device. Alright, that's what we got in the box. Go ahead and open that up. Alright, so on the back here it has a nice rubbery feel on it. The front has this more fabric-y, this fabric type feeling. Feels a little like it's rubber as well, but textured as if it's fabric, but it feels like it's rubber or plastic. A couple magnets. Take that out. Let's go ahead and you can see here where it looks like this kind of silicone type of material. So if we put this in here, kind of goes on really easy. There. That goes ahead and close. Adds nice protection to the device. Like it. Of course, you can put your pen here in the pen holder. Get that in there. Come on. Alright, so this is the device. It has nice box logo here on the side, or books logo. And the magnet turns it on and puts it to sleep as well. So that's really it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and set this thing up, use it, and create another video about my usage and my take on the device itself, coming from the 7.8 now to this 13.3. It also has the backlight on it feature here. You can change the backlighting. Which is another reason, again, primary reason why I got this device, as well as the size of it. But yes, so I'll go a little bit deeper into the product and provide my feedback and review on it in a later video. Okay, so my name is Anton. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.